Okay, the fabulous zone near somewhere get what I say. Need Dako set the Greater Accra NCC PRO and I am come on. Yeah, share a topic for the day about the CAF Champions League. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Inya the Aquina say wako PMO CAF Champions League. Asaba ni yen share Kotoko team no. Any your financial status. Are we ready as a club? Say yen jintum say wako. Personally, we are too big to say that be the Champions League the team ana minim e bia wo ben wo information there near are we ready to go?
Yeah, we are ready. I'm one person I will say on a given day or any day Kotoko participate in maybe there's something like World Champions League. I will say we will go. And let me tell you the reason why. Why not? Because my young Africa, because you're ready yet. Come back to the first, they are ready. Ghana say COVID. Now your name say COVID, but say COVID by say SCC hospitals.
Sir.
Anami boy. Say COVID by who say was say empower factories. Sir. Now we manufacture PPEs and the rest. Anami boy. Say you coach Champions League. The better na the quality of the team I share.
Okay. I get you.
What you make can say? Say you say you coach Champions League. Now we say yeah renovating training grounds. Yeah. So we say you discuss so. Now go talk 1 or 2 quality players. Where do we go? We have to. We say our players. Sometimes you have to sell 1 or 2 players to make money and then for you to develop the club. Now, if I say a player, a good player like Kwame Ba or Feliciana, if I say currently, the value is 50,000 Ghana cedi or $50,000. About Champions League, no, we are group stage 1. What is that the value increase?
You talk about 300,000.
What did you make an say? You can't say, don't go, and now you're not ready. Financially, Kotoko, I don't see the reason why we complain that we don't have money. And so you know, I see, oh, Tiko Koso, no, so so bit Tiko Koso out here. And go, coffee. It was a Yeneska Yanko. Sir? It's a board member, Sabi. Eh? Umubi anywhere. Say, as you $100,000, and so I support Kotoko, a Champions League, because Unya. These are renowned people. These are people with money. In fact, they have the balls. What did I make an say? We crowd here, Africa here, I'm telling you. About the same previous ones now you can crowd. The previous one, you know, Dr. Chenkwan, Onunkwa. You're dumb. Papa no ho. When none them before me, I'm a can. You will see. Because I'm so bad. I found a bit about 4 floor. I'm going to be crowded. It almost no opposite you bibi.
Almost any error no buy, you know.
What I say? So they are all ready
for the challenge.
Look, I'm telling you. And look about the bad and say yeah. I'm committing continuously. Coming Thursday, another meeting. Why do you think they are doing that? They are doing that to put everything in shape before they start the competition. No. What I say? We are ever ready to go to Africa. And we will go. We will go. And I am proud to be a Kotoko supporter because Emma, the piano, that exposure. No. Where do my way? Kotoko Ecobo Champions League. Nothing no be do Kotoko International Airport. Unya quality interviews.
Quite be brave.
Everybody that Mr. Strike. Middle Africa because Champions League. Strike will be exposed there.
Yeah.
What do you say? Until you see Strike because your name gradually Kotoko is exposing Strike on the international scene. What did I say? Obi nim match nim could do that match. And then we go Champions League no match nim could do kahwa. Haven't I given him the exposure?
Sure.
It say match ko Champions League. Na the value Kosua. Wouldn't it benefit Kotoko also?
Yes,
it will. What did I say? It a very big platform. Our supporters Benya. Last year or so, yeah, bought Confederation Cup. No, one of the matches I boy Sky raise gate fee. I think it's canopy. No, not canopy.
No, you need a Caribbean. Wasn't Caribbean?
Last year.
Last year.
Yeah, last year. Yeah. Sky no. Not calf. That would be no about Confederation Cup. Or my calf size canopy that. I'm a calf started any recommendation by say or Boko Tokabasu. Do you know what it has done to us with the supporters? It has given us the exposure. Now people out there know say Kotoko supporters, but they say it's a benefit. That is one. Two, managers of the club, they sit up. Master Konodu Nusa of Africa. Onaka ko patron transi. No, ne technical don't say speak to me idea at Nasia. They will strategize. They know say baby I could do last year no. This year was say a travel. It's a better woman so no my day. Oh my dream, I
but only I thought that if you more can, Omo say we are not ready. They look at the players. I say, COVID buy for some time more ball. Until be more share the fitness level of the players. Say players are much nefiache. Odi amuko sipa some Kobo champions. Go say how the anybody so. They be na fitness.
One no ma be the pele pass na Okako African Cup. No one no ma be the pele. One no ma be the pele. Some be anim no.
No be anim.
Obi na pray. Obi pray na introduce no. Eno no. What did they say? Eti say one koya. How will you know your strengths and your weaknesses? How will you know?
That's another question. Yeah.
Say one ko participate here. How will you know?
You might think so team ni yes na nye. Okwa na be expose me say hane so strength.
You might also think so team ni nye.
So because we say yepa.
There are surprises in football. We shouldn't always think about the trophy. Liverpool, local league for 30 good years.
Yeah.
This year,
Wajini in the town so.
Arsenal, what Champions League is our not even one. It's every year we participate. What you say? Yeah, we need the 83. I say we don't have the quality, so we shouldn't go. Where is the quality? Who is going to get us the quality? Somebody should tell us where the quality is for us to go and take. You have Kamiba, you have Felix Anna, you have Wahab Adams, you have Mudassiru Salifu, you have all these players around, and you think you cannot group them to participate in CAF Champions League? I am not looking at the trophy. I am looking at the exposure I will give to my players, the exposure my club will get. Now I'm champion what I don't want to do. Come say, I say about Champions League. How many years? Hey,
baby, I'm master the baby.
If you want to pass see,
baby. Hotels now they are there. Yeah.
Even they go to international airport.
Yeah, baby.
What you say?
My economy no.
Say, yeah, kasa wo ho. Sometimes me, I'm for kasa say me try me dream say na nkofo yo I don't know. Omo de no e say me de na say omo de different from man.
Na nkofo be kan say me ma ho so ubufu ye say ye nkoton Felix Anan ne ho an wan. E ban ko so nkoje eyi.
Insult.
Asem we de ntafo.
But sometimes you know, young kotoko supporters akasa no. We also sometimes need to be radical kakra. I don't know how the penalty how to make a teams who has them.
Come up bono.
On the service studio hono. Now you
know bono.
What you say?
Yeah.
Enti obe sorry ah. All the kotokoye trap here, they any chewing stick.
No really sir.
No really sir. Na eti ho hwe no. But one day.
It's total nonsense to say
Felix Anan, I captain. Emmanuel Jefi any deputy. In the absence of Emmanuel Jefi and Felix Anan, Habib Mohammed, I'll take it over. We see a cotton are 3 players, if I got 1 player. Because player no, I bet you a goalkeeper. Into a cheap one upon no more.
Oh, no,
a famous son of the upon Muba. What is this?
The place of Bobo Mudinka, it doesn't make any sense.
It's insult.
It's a total insult.
What you say? But when Kotoko, make I say those days no, we are too much Presbyterian. Enya bibi famo nyami, de bia enya bibia, na di manyami, etiko, na man for the second gadanka. I think say it has to stop. We have to put a stop to it.
Sure.
What you say? And now COVID by you let them fall off in their offices and the rest. Because say football be a so. It is how say we sports journalists are. Oko kada it could fear football chance here. Now about but say about Champions League. These are the same people who will bring their long cameras and chase you from dressing room, training ground, airport, team bus, interviews, and then they'll be begging. And they tell you you're not ready, you don't have the quality.
So say how is he going to feel?
How is he going to feel? Then tomorrow, if you see Feliciana with the captain's armband, then you come and tell me, say, I should let Felix come and grant interview. You can't even do it. Now, but now we patch out. Maybe you are not media accreditation. No, station maybe you are going to get just 1 or 2. Now, but now, because I radio so no. Emma will remo. Me that you will not get. I will not do it. And they know me. I will not.
They be all the okay free.
Because we all have our individual roles to play to help a club to move forward. Okay, say extra player. Player back. You got 3 captains, 3 leaders of the club. Never got and yeah, now we we have to, as supporters, I was saying yes, sorry. Now you have team, in penny 4 years, one be you musica. One be you bibia a dear bois club, but say yes, so you support to ma uncle. A kai Nasia, you say you coin a Tunisia or so. Now penny 4 cause I am from Tunisia, you know, Bagana, not Omunya access. No, I can't 1 hour. Team about arrival airport. 19 bus in my not bus driver no he was not aware. Bus no work masi. 1 hour, what will you do? It quickly we do airport na nyamia do na chairman aka ewo ho Edmond aka. Say chairman bus me my young friend quickly offer kumase. Team no buy no. Na bus in my. Me as a supporter no. Sanka manko ho anko boa me manage member no e na ya nya sa course na anka bas no beba emma we shouldn't let everything be on the management members and the board members.
We should also involve ourselves.
We as supporters no na say they be about Champions League and I about Confederation Cup ma to me nya against supporters union and I say they be be say yebeko now they be also mo against supporters union what say there me bono now we are against it. So they be every year. What are you proud? Maybe Africa no. They be who they be busy. League you see and complete here. Kotoko yebeko. You see we aba kotoko yebeko. Every year be yebeko. You win kra yebeko. Your time to say win here. We win it. Because the Real Madrid they win the Champions League every year. I bet you be be. Yeah, what you say? Say Chelsea England were fighting Sama with me win the Champions League da. Ama Arsenal to how we need be da. Kotoko. The time this one. The best win the Champions League bi. Enye nyame. Into timi tell me God just say enye ready. Enye ready ya. Ye kwa bra Kumasi besa line. Na ticket na kohwe match no.
Na you see I wohwa his honor Dr. Kwame Chibaye no. We can one the 4th Africa participation now. Obekoni. First one there, him say yintime wura group stage when I carry ye frame. The second one akonya buy na ye group stage. And the third way group him. The third one by so yintime anko Champions League no, ye te by Confederation yintime wura group stage. And as you see akonya asa ba biem. You see awhwa ni ye expectation. This time round here we say the experience no ho because ya kwatwa so 3 4th one e be. So we expectation we say saying target we say the man ho saying. But this time I don't think say be okay say koboy ya papa na ye chambet na fie. Esa na nkofu yo mo ye de bebre.
I know say board no beba abontin e dey target beba. But me as a supporter, me met like I say yen ko boy humodin e wo Champions League say ko boy humodin ent me wura group stage of Champions League yen to wura the group stage of Confederation Cup because you call your name you win your first 2 matches e wo Champions League na yen to me anko group stage eba Confederation Cup
last year no
what I say eba Confederation I will say the first target should be the group stage. And no
for the Confederation.
Yeah, for the Confederation. Say Nyakopo sakonya bemu. Now you run the group stage of Champions League. Better. I don't have a problem. Okay. But if we exit from the Champions League and then we go into group stage, the Confederation Cup, it's fair enough because consistency brings results. It is a to be correct a hobby more. Near my yeah some time ago no. Yes I no biom. Nebia yeah amwa meka hobi who can hobi each and every supporter can hobi obia can hobi. You can't blame one person. What do I say? And I think every club want to participate in a competition and then enter into a group stage, especially with the Champions League and then the Confederation Cup. So I know, sir, our first target for both the board, management, and we with the supporters should be a group stage, be it Champions League or Confederation Cup.
Okay. Nana, optical course 1 year ban or the man Monday, ne kwanswa no.
Oh yes, beboa because players are your home. Fair, Ghana League in Kwandia. I can tell you, say, Kotoko, yen bench, yen bench. Eko, one more, what's a call camper, with the 18-man squad never call. What I say, apart from 18-man squad, one more, or one can win an any woman better bench in Nano, or better first team players. Almost all the clubs in this country.
Clubs are amongst competing for the league.
Oh, yes.
A bench near beat me on first team.
1911 club, then. Your players are almost not Kotoko bench, you know. Almost your status. Emma those clubs.
Because I'm the cost I say, you're a small player.
I'm a small player. What do I say? Now, say, all these players, I will hold no more. I don't know. I feel on a year. No one suffers car.
Top 10, 15.
Top 10, 15 players.
It's too much.
Now they are
It's too much.
A player like Martin Entry. But Martin Entry is one of the finest players we have in Asante Kotoko.
Main cash requiring free kick. Wow, they share a Zambian club in Ghana. Maybe Ojina ma ball is about 2 pool. And yes, small goal. Messi mun share can assassin hey.
Coach Maswe by matches are brand na boni na no. On the performance.
Serious improvement oh. Wa pick it in the form no ja ho no.
Okay, manako. What you say? Na ka ko for before fraba. I feel try na e be dum na me pe pick pe. E si onko. But consistency in association football e hu hia pa. Iti some players e wa ho nyina, o mo nyina participate in almost Champions League and Confederation Cup. Experience no. If you sure say yeah koi. You konya 1 or 2 players be able come. Yes monka. We say players see o man kasa within them no mon do mo nkobo.
O medi.
Last year say na yeah.
Anko no.
O ma yeah dey say. What you say? Enti direct is ni dey eye. Na mom say decision no buy and sana eba bonti say we say ko ba Africa no. I hope and believe say mpanyufo di hu komo a ebenya 1 or 2 players be dey aka de ewe ho no ho.
Okay, nti hu ni say finally no hu ni say Kotoko Champions League in the abeto we dey say yebo.
Ebeko bo. Yebo, ndi ebebo. Opa o mpa yebo.
Okay, the Fabulous Zone sunye Blue Diamond Hotel na di ka catch na unya ba Accra Taifa pe. Udu ha pe bisa Blue Diamond Hotel obi a be kire the opposite yo ha bia akwanya wa ha na ma be hu mpemfo na o ma serve kama say tie no. Ye dey adwumadi na ebe wie no quickly. Mpese hu about the new board na yeah now tune for high establish no hu say expectations nyama be na hu say some tackle immediately. Yen fast na running.
These are noble men. I think say omo the kind of target eda omeni so ana omeni so person omo here. I'm very much aware say they are looking at the secretariat. It is likely one year a time will come out. A basic new secretariat. It is likely. And once your clubhouse being so.
Then easy now when we know that take it upon.
And nobody a training people. Your clubhouse be was audio more so yes. And also it's likely say Omebriegu. Now for front, you know, these are people but they are noble men omunim dia I will say omuyebua club no. I think they will come out with their roadmap and whatever they want to do. It is up to us to support them.
Okay. As fans now, we should support.
That is it.
Go to stadium, initiative we should support it.
That is it.
Now, the person boy is not to me money. You better was the PR for the Greater Accra NCC. Need a set and they the Fabulous Zone. The Blue Diamond Hotel back Taifa. No people be do to Blue Diamond Hotel never recommend the amount. The final West the chat to see to the fans and say new dako.
Yeah, the Beko Chair supporters this the beer do no Kotoko ewo ye. The new club beer view.
Wow.
Yeah, got 2010 division. I support to Kotoko. Enti Mr. Ye no your home team no wo ye. Enti the ye na if say betumi aye the Obua club no. We should all come on board, support the club. That is what we have. That's our property.
Sure.
And you'll be there. Me say, Meko Africa de be I said the be ya menya against supporters union. Africa maybe they will only be
against supporters.
I will always do that for
the Fabulous Zone in the I had the share pair with him Saturday back up Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Sam and then baby more I say and then give me their baby thanks to Blue Diamond Hotel Accra Taifa. The Fabulous Zone by Porcupines for Porcupines.